Kärcher's at the Game Fair at Ragley Hall in Warwickshire. It's a great opportunity for us to meet customers from both the professional and the consumer side. It's an opportunity to discuss our products, our services with the contract cleaning community, grounds maintenance companies, and basically anyone who has a professional application for our cleaning products.
Because we've got the diggers and the tractor and the truck to clean that, we wanted something a bit more powerful. So I came over and asked the guys, and they seemed more than helpful. But now I found out they've got the foam gun, so I'm dying to try that.
The goal for us here is to get in front of our customers. That's what we want to do. We want to hear from them directly and understand what their problems are, what their challenges are.
They typically come in with their knowledge of us as a pressure washer brand, but hopefully they'll leave with a much broader understanding that we are the absolute experts in cleaning, whether it's for the workplace or for the home.